इंडिया की वर्ल्ड कप टीम तो अनाउंस हो गई, लेकिन फिर वही सवाल, नंबर 4 पर कौन? हमारे साथ फिर जुड़ गए हैं जिम्बाब्वे एंड साउथ अफ्रीका से गेस्ट, बट द इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दैट आई एम आस्किंग द ऑडियंस इज who at number 4 for India? It's been over 10 years ever since I feel Yuvraj Singh left the national team.
Yes.
We haven't found a perfect number 4, neither in T20 cricket nor in ODI cricket. With Shreyas Iyer coming in, things have sorted down. But again, who will be the middle order batsman this time? Because you don't have KL Rahul. KL Rahul squad mein nahi hai. Shubman Gill is not there. And KL Rahul was the kind of a batsman, either you make him open, you go him 4 down, you want him to finish the innings. So he is not there. So you will have to have a stable middle order. तो अब हम जानेंगे एक्सपर्ट से कि क्या होने वाला है भारतीय टीम का मिडिल ऑर्डर. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज गोइंग टू बी द मिडिल ऑर्डर फॉर टीम?
Yeah, that's a very
First question,
tricky one.
number 3 top order तो मुझे there's no doubt about that. Number 3
Virat Kohli, yes.
No doubts for me, Virat Kohli.
She
एक
might
opening
have-
की हमारी वीडियो है, we have a video on opening, तो you can but I'll ask you, हमारी जो ओपनिंग वाली वीडियो आप देखिए, उसमें इन्होंने बताया कि ये चाहते हैं कि विराट कोहली और रोहित शर्मा ओपन करें. She wants that Virat and Rohit opens. If they both open, who at number 3?
I will definitely put a reserve out of Shubman Gill. Shubman Gill is my perfect, not
But you cannot-
not replacement.
but
You can't replace.
But you cannot
Virat
pull
Kohli.
him out
Yeah.
of the reserve. Tell
That's what I was
someone
about to
out
say,
of
someone
Yeah.
on the thing. Yeah.
So I guess you'll have Jaswal coming in at 3.
ये जायसवाल के लिए ये तो थोड़ा ट्रिक हो गया, लेकिन टॉप 3 आप घुमाओ ना घुमाओ आपके ऊपर है. लेकिन मिडिल ऑर्डर, बिकॉज T20 क्रिकेट में middle order की middle overs have a huge importance.
Yeah.
Over 7 to 15, and then again 15 to 20, the finisher
The
is
finisher.
also the responsibility of the
Yes.
middle and the lower middle order. So who do you see at number 4, number 5, and number 6?
Number 4, number 5, and number 6.
Middle
I
order
have
की
3
जाती है.
names. I have
Okay.
3 names that I'm actually currently thinking of.
Okay.
I have Surya Kumar Yadav.
सूर्य कुमार यादव
I
4
have
नंबर पे.
Sanju Samson.
संजू
And then
सैमसन
I have
पांच पे.
Shivman Dubey. How they then position from number 4, yes, Sky. I would definitely put Sky at number 4.
Okay.
Number 5 and number 6. I think maybe from
Depending
a
on the
power
situation.
hitter to power hitter, maybe Sky, then Shivman Dubey. Then maybe if you lose those 2 power hitters quickly, then you can have Rishabh Pant because you know he can give you the same, but even at number 6.
So how
but
many
if he is
batters
not,
are we playing?
no, I'm leaving. I'm saying we can switch Sanju for
For Rishabh.
Rishabh Pant if depending on the situation of like what's going on the day.
So दिन के हिसाब से इनका मानना है कि संजू सैमसन और ऋषभ पंत को घुमाते रहे, but you know there's a trick in cricket. You have to announce the 11 before the match.
Before the match. Now
It's
that's the
an-
thing. Well, it will depend on who they're playing. If maybe you're playing a team like Australia, I would rather have Sanju instead of Rishabh. But if you're playing a team like South Africa, I would rather have Rishabh Pant instead of Sanju Samson. Why
ये
am
कह
I
रहे हैं
saying?
कि हाँ ये हो चुका, but let me make them understand this. ये कह रहे हैं कि जब ऑस्ट्रेलिया के खिलाफ मैच हो तो आप संजू सैमसन को खिलाइए, जब मैच हो साउथ अफ्रीका के खिलाफ तो आप ऋषभ पंत को खिलाइए. And why do you say that?
Well, I'm saying that because both of these two teams specialize in pace bowling, right?
Okay.
Both of these teams have lethal pace bowlers. South Africa has Marco Jensen, Gerald Coetzee, Kaki Sorapata, and the likes.
And Andre
And
Crouch, yeah.
yes, and then you have Australia with Pitt and Mitchell
Mitchell
Marsh
Starc.
and Mitchell Stark. You know, we have these amazing pace
Big
bowlers.
names, yeah.
But then how these two people handle pace is actually quite different.
Okay.
I've seen Rishabh Pant bet against Pitt Cummins, right? And yes, he does hit, but he doesn't accelerate as much as he's supposed to.
तो ये
in that
एक
time.
एक एक एक, एक मोटिव्स बता रहे हैं, ये फैक्ट बता रहे हैं कि जब पेस के खिलाफ ऋषभ पंत होते हैं तो वो शायद उतने अच्छे शॉट्स नहीं खेल पाए. The records might not tell that because when records against pace you take out, the bowlers that bowl at 135 will also come there.
Yeah.
And I feel that Rishabh Pant hits the bowlers that bowl 135, 140 brutally.
Yeah, he
But
does.
whenever it starts to go past 145
I think
to
yes,
150,
mentally it's somewhat he's sort of scared-ish. I can't describe exactly what goes through his mind if someone like Pat Cummins starts.
तो ये बड़ा
You know?
रिवोल्यूशन है. एंड इफ यू वांट ऋषभ पंत टू फिनिश मैचेस, तो अगर आप ऋषभ पंत से ये उम्मीद लगाएं कि मैच फिनिश करे पैट कमिंस के आगे, मिचेल स्टार्क के आगे, तो वो दिक्कत हो सकती है. दैट माइट बी अ प्रॉब्लम. दैट्स व्हाट शी इज सेइंग. ओके.
So I'm saying if you're playing a team like Australia, rather have Sanju Samson who's more established and stable. And I think some other things, these bettors are afraid of names more than the bowling. You think it's Pat Cummins, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Not necessarily Sanju or saying Rishabh is no. Most bettors respect the name more than the bowling. But then the same reason why we're saying Jake Fraser McGurk has been so exceptional in IPL, because he doesn't look at the name. He doesn't care if it's just with Bumrah bowling at him. He knows if it's a good ball, I'll hit it. But
ये
for
कहना चाह
some
रहे
other
हैं
batsmen,
कि
it's
ये जब बड़े प्रॉब्लम होते हैं ना बड़े मुकाम पे, you want that the young players they play the name, because Virat Kohli does not play the name. We know
definitely.
he's the biggest name, so he does not
He does
need
not play
to
the name. Yeah,
लेकिन
definitely.
जब ऋषभ पंत, संजू सैमसन जैसे यंग खिलाड़ी आते हैं, अब दोनों इतने यंग है भी नहीं, बट जब ऐसे खिलाड़ी आते हैं तब ये नाम को खेलते हैं, एंड शायद ये प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. बट आई टेंड टू डिसएग्री. ऋषभ पंत इज फ्रॉम दिल्ली, एंड दिल्ली वालों का इनको समझाना तो मुझे मुश्किल पड़ जाएगा, बट कि दिल्ली वाले घबराते तो है नहीं किसी से. तो देखो, आई डोंट थिंक ऋषभ पंत इज फ्रॉम दिल्ली, एंड बीइंग द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट बीइंग दिल्ली एंड द stereotype that they have in India is that the Delhi people are fearless, and it's true. Virat Kohli is from Delhi,
And
Gautam
is
Gambhir
fearless.
is from Delhi, Rishabh Pant is from Delhi, and they're from a very similar academy background. All of these people practice at a very similar atmosphere,
Okay.
so they are not afraid of names. They don't play.
No, I wasn't saying that these batters or Sanju
Batters
or
in
Rishabh,
general.
no,
we were talking about.
but batters in general, some are just afraid of names. So in terms of who plays ahead of who, I have my 4 as Sky, my 5 as Shivman Dube,
चार
and my
पे
6,
नंबर 4 पे सूर्य कुमार यादव, नंबर 5 पे शिवम दुबे,
and then number 6 will alternate between Sanju
and ऋषभ पंत. तो संजू सैमसन और ऋषभ पंत के बीच नंबर 6 भी करेंगे, and then at 7
7. Maybe that's when Hardik Pandya might come in.
But if you play Hardik Pandya at 7, then you can only have 4 bowlers.
Then you have an all-rounder from Jadeja, right?
So Jadeja will be the 8th person. No?
Yes, you have an all-rounder from Jadeja. Then 9 you have Bumrah. Then 10 you have Kuldeep Yadav.
And then at 11,
And then at 11 you have.
we'll
Akshar
talk
Patel.
about the bowling later. But I don't think this might happen because too many all-rounders,
Yeah.
and you cannot bat these deep. Shivam Dube, Hardik Pandya, only one will get to play.
Yeah.
Akshar Patel, Ravindra Jadeja, only one will get to play. And talking about Sanju Samson, Rishabh Pant, Surya Kumar Yadav, and even out of these 3, only 2 will get to play.
Only two
So ये
get
थोड़ा tricky हो गया. इन्होंने तो all-rounder कर दिए. But इस हिसाब से बैटिंग ऑर्डर नहीं चलेगा. So clearly इस पे लग गया है कि ये बैटिंग ऑर्डर तो नहीं होने वाला. This is not going to be the batting order.
I don't know, but 4 I will give it to Sky because he will give you the quick
The quick
strike
shots.
rate.
Yeah.
Yes.
What about you? Take me through.
I think you vocalized exactly what I was struggling with internally, and I think that was the inclusion of Hardik Pandya now.
Yeah.
Where are you going to now put him? So I agree. I definitely would put Sky at number 4.
Number 4 Sky.
Number 4 Sky. I think 5. I would want to put Pant in 5.
5 at Pandya at 5.
I
तो
put
ये
Pant
बढ़िया
at
कि
5.
Pandya at 5, and I think that's going to happen.
Yeah.
But then Rishabh Pant at 6.
Because here's what I think is probably going to happen. Right? If we will get to the World Cup group games eventually, but the big test I think there is going to be Pakistan, and I think that is probably where you're going to see by then know what it's going to be. So I think punt at 5 and then 6. Probably that's where I might put Pandya at 6.
Pant at 5, 6 पे Pandya, and then 7 Jadeja.
Yes, I
So
think that.
that's precise. ये batting order, and I more or less agree with you. But if you want, but in your team, there's no place for Sanju Samson. There's no place for Shivam Dube, and neither is there place for any other batsman that can come.
And I think this is where, like she had pointed out now, that Pakistan game will tell you everything you need to know how that potential lineup goes. If you see that there's a bit of a struggle, then probably like you're
So
saying,
you only
switch off
have one
Samson.
game to judge. और ये ऐसा
Yes,
इसलिए कह रहे हैं
because
It's only
the
one
other
game.
group
The other
stage games,
group stage games are nothing.
ये मैं इनको
they
बताया था
might
ऐसा
actually
क्यों कह
play
रहे
the reserves.
हैं. ये they might have, like there was this IPL 11, the unselected 11,
Yeah,
and then
so
they might win very easily.
they might actually even win. So the only test in group stages definitely hit, like you said, might come from
तो
Pakistan.
देखिए ये बता रहे ग्रुप स्टेज में might नहीं, the only will
Might.
come.
Yeah.
Not might.
Not will. Might come.
But the challenge will be there.
Yeah.
Because क्योंकि आप देखिए ग्रुप स्टेज के अंदर इंडिया है, पाकिस्तान है, उसके अलावा है आयरलैंड, यूएसए और कनाडा. And no matter that overconfidence is a bad thing, but I'm very sure that they're
No,
not.
there's no way. It's
No,
not.
if
It's not
you
even
want to win a
overconfident.
World Cup, you can't even doubt
You
it. You just say Pakistan. Let's see.
Let's
Let's take it from there.
Yeah.
देखिए ग्रुप स्टेज में तो सिर्फ पाकिस्तान है, ये मानना है कि बैटिंग ऑर्डर को अगर टेस्ट करना है तो वो पाकिस्तान वाले मैच में ही हो जाएगा एंड इट्स वेरी इजी बिकॉज फ्रॉम द सुपर देयर 4 ग्रुप्स एंड द टॉप 2 टीम्स विल कम इन एंड यूएसए आयरलैंड और Canada will have to eventually defeat India if they want to be number second. So even if India and even if Pakistan loses to India or vice versa, both of these teams will go to Super League.
Yeah.
I'm not sure in what world will Canada and USA win. Maybe in basketball, maybe. But in cricket, no, there's no way. So in cricket, maybe we just have to think who's going to make it. Maybe Pakistan and India qualify for, obviously, qualify for the Super 8.
But yes, we went way far away from the discussion. The discussion was the middle order batsman.
Yeah.
And the middle order batsman, I hope that what he said is actually very correct. देखिए बहुत ध्यान से समझिए and tell me, I'll explain it to them in Hindi, but tell me whenever you feel that this is not the player you want. We're opening with Yashasvi Jaiswal and Rohit Sharma.
Yes.
We have Virat Kohli at number 3. Like, and for you, we can jumble this up if we want. Now we can jumble this up. We can jumble these up in matches like Canada, or USA, and Ireland to try more things.
Yeah.
But I don't think experimenting too much would be a good option. Or
No,
it
not at
might because your batting order, the strength will not come in front of the teams like Australia, South Africa, New Zealand, where they're sitting on the cameras. Okay,
This is how he hits spin. This is how he hits pace.
Yeah.
Blah blah blah.
So that mixing up of things can work against such teams. But yes, बड़े मुकाबले में क्योंकि जब 8 टीम्स जब ग्रुप ऑफ 8 आएगा जब सेमीफाइनल्स आएंगे तब आपको ये खिलाड़ी गिनाना जरूरी है तब ओपन करने वाले हैं यशस्वी जायसवाल रोहित शर्मा विराट कोहली सूर्य कुमार यादव at 4 then we have at number 5 we have Rishabh Pant or Sanju Samson for me it's Rishabh Pant for you it's Rishabh Pant for you it might be Sanju Samson like 4 you can change
alternate.
then number 6 पर हमारे पास आएंगे हार्दिक पांड्या the all-rounder and the vice captain and then at number 7 we have Jadeja and then you can pick your 4 bowlers. That's where we're going and तो ये मेरे को काफी हद तक टीम लग रही है एक आधा प्लेयर ऊपर नीचे कभी बैटिंग थोड़ी हेवी कर ली and that will also depend on how the wicket works if there's nothing for spin in USA then you'll have to drop either Chahal or Kuldeep I think Chahal will be dropped and then you can play an extra batsman so काफी कुछ हो सकता है इस वर्ल्ड कप में लेकिन मिडिल ऑर्डर क्या रहने वाला है वो हमने एक्सपर्ट्स के साथ मिलकर आपको समझा